Now, if your team is already using ChatGPT but still wasting time rewriting outputs or sounding very robotic like everyone else, it's not a tool problem, it's a workflow problem. My name is Audrey and I run a human AI copywriting consultancy called Close with Copy. Now, over the past 2 years, I have led numerous workshops with the likes of Vogue, DG Marcon, NAS, and many other summits. In fact, I have even trained a lot of non-copywriters, non-native English speakers, and interns on how to use AI so that they can write on-brand polished content 80% more efficiently. So in just one session, I want to show you how you can scale your content output without adding more hires, trying different tools, or losing your brand voice. This will give you a practical system that your team can implement instantly. No fluff, no guesswork, just super real, actionable insights. Now the truth is, most teams are just dabbling with AI. Without a clear workflow or strategy, ChatGPT just becomes another tool in your toolkit. So the thing I tell my clients is, it's not about learning 100 different tools, it's about learning how to leverage fewer tools, but doing it right. So here's some stuff we'll be covering in the workshop. Now I will show you a voice-to-post framework that turns raw ideas into ready-to-publish posts, a prompt ladder framework that allows even junior marketers or interns to build publish-ready content, a brand voice optimizer so that AI outputs sound like you, not ChatGPT, and of course a custom set of templates and prompts that I am using with my clients right now so I know they work. In fact, let me tell you this, one of my SME clients hired me to train their team of VAs, and after one session, their team was able to create high conversion, high quality content without that much intervention and producing content at least 3 times faster than before. Now, if your team is already experimenting with AI but you know they can be doing more, I want you to book a discovery call with me so we can explore what a custom workshop looks like for you. So I only run a couple of these workshops every quarter, and I really tailor each workshop to make sure it's a good fit for the team. So if you are interested, book a call. As you know, the best time to get started was yesterday, and the second best time is, you know it, right now. Chat soon.